Kangaroo's electric car has no seats, and you drive it by putting your hands on motorcycle-style handlebars. It's built for wheelchair users, who can roll right through the rear hatch of the car into the driver's area. The Austin-based company is preparing to launch its first product, which has an estimated range of 60 miles on an 8-hour charge, when it finally goes into production in 12 to 18 months. Kangaroo, which is Hungarian for kangaroo, was founded in Hungary but moved to the US when it struggled to find venture capital. No word yet on the actual safety credentials of the car, which at 7 feet by 5 feet is even smaller than a smart car. Yet, despite the Kangaroo's Ferrari yellow paint job, the company doesn't expect its drivers to be involved in any high-speed chases. The Kangaroo only goes 25 miles per hour, and is thus meant for the average trip to the grocery store, or down the street to work. Get rid of pesky weeds in your garden with the Tertil Weeding Robot. This helpful garden robot is solar-powered and weeds your garden every day. This way, you can sit back and enjoy your time outdoors. Tertil rids your garden of weeds in 2 ways. First, its wheels dig up the top layer of soil, stopping weeds from sprouting. Second, if any weeds decide to grow, Tertil cuts them down with its built-in string trimmer. Also, Tertil can differentiate a weed from a plant you want, so you don't have to worry about this robot accidentally cutting your flowers. What's more, since this garden tool runs on solar, you don't need to charge it. Finally, this garden gadget is weatherproof, which means you can keep it out in the rain. It's never been easier to have a well-maintained garden. For a gorgeous, Swiss-made timepiece, look to the Audric Seaborn 500M rugged tool watch. Why is this rugged watch among the best? It combines intricate details with innovative technology. In fact, this stainless steel dive watch offers a luxurious timepiece without breaking the bank. While some high-quality timepieces run thousands of dollars, this one is a steal. Moreover, this dive watch works to depths of 1,650 feet, so it offers impressive function and ability in a gorgeous body. Its etched, screw-down crown has BWG9 lume that lets you read the numbers easily in the dark. Additionally, it's even designed with a helium escape valve located at 9 o'clock on the underside of the case. There's an engraved sea turtle to remind you of its strength, endurance, and agility. This gorgeous watch uses SW200 to 1 movement. Are you tired of struggling with heavy loads around your home or property? With AeroCart, you can turn what used to be 2 or 3 person jobs into something you can do yourself. The AeroCart from Works is your ultimate solution for heavy lifting and transportation. The AeroCart also features a bag holder that snaps onto the frame, allowing you to hold large lawn and leaf bags while you work, and when you're done, you can roll it right to the curb. The extension arms fold out and increase the size of the items you're able to carry, making it ideal for moving patio furniture, large and heavy boxes, and anything up to 80 lbs. But that's not all. AeroCart even moves trailers. Hook it up to an ATV trailer, a horse trailer, or any trailer up to 1,000 lbs and pull it from one part of your property to the other. And for moving plants and rocks, the potted plant mover and mesh net attachments make it easy. Both have an 80 lbs capacity, with a 300 lbs load capacity. The AeroCart makes moving appliances, large boxes, and heavy furniture much easier. And with turbo lift technology, it provides leverage to transport tremendous loads, making 200 lbs feel like approximately 17 lbs. The AeroCart quickly transforms from a lightweight wheelbarrow into a yard cart, dolly, extended dolly, cylinder carrier, rock, plant mover, and trailer tote, and with rugged tires that will never need inflating, you'll always get a smooth ride. Looking for a reliable and multifunctional cart to take on your next outdoor adventure? The Universal Cart, with its ability to hold up to 198 pounds of weight on any surface, including sand, stone, mud, stairs, asphalt, or snow. This cart is the perfect companion for a day outdoors. Not only that, the wheel cart is strong and durable, but it's also light enough to be handled by just one person. And if that's not enough, it also comes with a built-in refrigerator and table, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing beverage and meal on the go. Power-made electric handcart is a specially designed device that makes loading and unloading easier than ever before. With solid weight security and stability, this device reduces physical efforts by 87%, making it a must-have for anyone looking to move heavy items. The PowerMate carts come in different models, made of steel for heavy loads up to 1,500 pounds and aluminum for lighter loads of up to 650 pounds. This ladder lift is specially designed to handle the weight, making it a great option for warehouses, construction sites, and home improvement projects. This electric handcart is a game changer, providing a safe, easy, and efficient way to move items up and down a ladder. These gloves are designed to assist you in completing any task with ease. They are wear-resistant and solid, which means that they can withstand rigorous use without breaking or tearing. Even when in contact with sharp objects, the palm of the gloves is denser and waterproof, while the back is made of breathable material that ensures your hands remain sweat-free during work. These gloves are also elastic, which means they fit snugly and stay in place, even during high-intensity activities, without falling off. These gloves offer excellent protection, durability, and comfort, making them a perfect choice for various tasks, such as gardening, construction work, and DIY projects. With these gloves, you can handle any task with confidence and ease. The last air mattress you will ever need. Futo is a comfortable queen-size mattress that takes only 20 seconds to inflate and can hold up to 4 adults, 650 lbs, for 8 hours. It is comfortable, durable, colorful, and easy to carry, with a headrest that will be needed for any occasion when you would like to take a rest or even a nap. A monoflow technology has been used to blow Futo mattress up with few simple movements. All you need to do is simply open the Futo and catch the air around you. It inflows to 4 tubes evenly. Futo is made from 2 state-of-the-art materials. The outer layer is made of high-quality ripstop material using a special reinforcing technique that makes it resistant to tearing and ripping. Similar textile can be found in hot air balloons and high-quality camping hammocks. Take a rest, anywhere. Looking for an efficient and space-saving way to unload and transport your things from one place to another? This amazing device can easily transform from a 2-wheeled cart to a 4-wheeled cart, making it a versatile solution for all your carrying needs. When not in use, the Costco shifter can be easily stored in your closet, garage, or even in the trunk of your vehicle, thanks to its compact and foldable design. It's a must-have for anyone who needs to carry heavy loads, whether you're moving, shopping, or just need a helping hand. The Costco shifter is the perfect solution. The Bare Bowl foldable camp cooking pot allows you to cook meals like never before while you're backpacking or camping light. These folding camping pots are cooking pots that fold completely flat, making them super easy to pack. They come in 3 sizes: Baby Bear, 32 ounces, Mama Bear, 64 ounces, and Papa Bear, 128 ounces. Additionally, these foldable camping pots are lightweight. The Papa Bear weighs just 14.5 ounces. On top of that, they can hold quite a bit, as the Papa Bear's capacity is up to a gallon. This foldable pot is also useful as a sink for dishwashing in the wild. Furthermore, these folding pots are made of food-grade PTFE-coated fiberglass, and they can last almost forever. The best part is that these lightweight camping pots go together with just 2 snaps, meaning you can get right to cooking. This electric motor-powered device is equipped with a balance system that can easily lift up to 300 pounds to a height of 6.6 feet, all while weighing just 88 pounds. The user doesn't have to lift a finger. Simply move the cart in the required direction and let the hand truck lift do the heavy lifting for you. The hand truck lift and show you just how easy it is to use. Whether you're in the construction industry, a warehouse, or simply need a reliable and efficient lifting solution, the hand truck PHT 140 lift is the perfect tool for the job. The first bicycle created specifically with families in mind. With the ability to carry children weighing up to 70 kilos, and ages up to 8 years old, this 3-wheeled wonder is the perfect solution for everything, from leisurely park strolls to grocery runs, and even school pickups. And with its stable design, you can be sure it will handle any surface with ease. Easily carry items without any effort. With the UpCart City Compact Stair Climbing Cart, UpCart City makes your daily tasks easier by helping you carry things upstairs as well as over curbs and uneven ground. The cart features a unique multi-wheel design, offering a smooth and stable ride over any surface. Likewise, when encountering an object that can pivot to another wheel and continue to move over it, it comes with 3 wheels on each side. There are always 2 wheels in contact with the ground to improve balance and stability. Additionally, the UpCart City folds flat for storage thanks to its patented technology. Even though it's lightweight, the cart is strong enough to carry up to 77 pounds almost anywhere. The upcart provides a tall handle, so you don't have to bend your back when pulling a load. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos. And subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as uploaded. That's it for now.